Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of an array, which is best time to buy and sell stock, which is LeetCode 121 question. So in this question, first you have to find the maximum profit. Okay, here is an explanation, you can go through it. I will tell the solution that how can you approach. First you have to create the many element, which is prices of 0, and you have to calculate the profit. First you have to initialize profit equals to 0, and then you have to traverse through a vector. Okay, for int I equals to 0, I less than prices dot size and I plus plus. Then you just have to find the cost, which is price of I minus many, and profit, and for profit you just have to find the maximum of profit comma cost. Okay, and after that you just have to return, and after that you